What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are ready for this 20-minute at-home workout. No equipment is needed for this. You guys can do it anywhere. So you have no excuse. You can do it on vacation. You could do it on your lunch break. You could do it at school in between classes. This workout is designed for you to do anywhere without any equipment. You guys have no excuse. So if you like this type of workout, I encourage you to look into trying the Healthy New You program that I wrote for Oxygen Magazine, which actually launches this New Year's. I'm so excited about it, and I know you guys are just gonna love it. The whole program can be done without a gym. Very minimal equipment is needed, and I did that so that more people would be able to do it, and you could do it no matter where you are. Just like this workout, you have no excuse. So, the Healthy New You program, though, was recorded in the top of the line, highest quality video production. So the entire program is given to you in like the most amazing way, and I'm so grateful that I'm able to do this for you guys, because without Oxygen Magazine, I would never have been able to do this high quality of a program for you. So I'm just so excited. I know you guys are gonna just love it. It's a 60-day exclusive program. You get over 50 recipes plus macro breakdown for each of those recipes. You get a sample meal plan that I wrote for you. You get a step-by-step guide to building your own meal plan if you don't like the one I wrote. You get grocery lists. You get all these tips and tricks that I recorded. You get my personal training philosophy. Like, it's just a whole comprehensive program, and it's absolutely amazing. And I designed it to be a program that will last you a lifetime. I don't want this to be a New Year's resolution. It's not that type of program. This program is designed to last you through your daily life. And what I mean by that is, like, New Year's resolutions always seem to kind of peter out around March or April, but this program is designed to last past that through your whole life. More info about that at the end of this video. It's also below in the description box. Let's jump into this 20-minute workout from home. So like I said, the whole workout is going to be below. All the information you need is down there. Enjoy the workout, and I'll see you after. That is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this 20-minute at-home workout. If you try this workout, please let me know how you like it. Leave your feedback in the comment section below. And make sure you check out the Healthy New You program that launches this New Year's with Oxygen Magazine. You guys, it's an amazing program. If you like this workout, you will absolutely love the program, and I can't wait to see you when it launches. So stay tuned for more details about Healthy New You. I will link it at the end of this video and also give you lots of information below. So be sure to check it out, and I will see you guys in the next one.